When I was a little girl, I absolutely loved an artist by the name of Rachel Lampa. I was so inspired by her music, her powerful voice, and her accomplishments at such a young age. She had this song called Secret Place, and even though it wasn't her most popular song, something about it was special to me. The lyrics said, "Come and find your rest in the secret place." Those are powerful words for us today. You're not exempt from this just because you're in ministry. A pastoral or worship leadership position does not mean you have an automatic free pass out of spending time with the Lord. You may not ever say that, but it somehow just happens. But here's the thing. It's not a coincidence that those in ministry are targeted with the busyness badge of honor, like being busy in the name of ministry at the expense of your spiritual health. Not to mention your relational, family, or physical health. The enemy knows what he's doing. Just keep you busy doing good things until you're so burnt out that you don't want to do ministry anymore. That sound familiar? I feel like it's happening all the time. And the problem is it starts out with honest, good intentions. But if we don't make plans for our lives, someone else will do it for us. Or we might feel like life is living us. Longevity in ministry starts on day one. You have a choice to make. Start the journey now with intentionality, or wait until you're already burnt out and it may be too late. Congratulations, you've taken the first step toward clarity in your worship leadership, but let's keep it going. This video is just a glimpse of our signature course, the Overflow Worship Leaders Startup Toolkit. It's your strategic guide to leading your ministry with confidence. Are you ready to become the leader that you'd want to follow? It's time for your next step now. To get immediate access to the full course and start today, click the link below.